Hi, I'm David, and today I want to show you an overview of Katana. Now, Katana is a cloud-based inventory management software built for any business dealing with physical products. Katana's platform offers live inventory, production, accounting, and reporting features, which all help businesses in their decision-making. Now, when you log into Katana, the first thing you're going to see is this screen right here, the sell screen. It lists all of your sales orders, provides you with an overview of their statuses, so you can check the availability of products, materials, production, and even delivery statuses, all from this screen. And as for your sales orders, they're added to Katana in one of two different ways. Either by an integration with an e-commerce platform, or by adding new ones just by clicking on the plus sales order right here, or there's also this quick menu right there. As you can see here in Katana's settings screen, Katana actually has native e-com integrations with Shopify, with WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. And through these integrations, you can pull over your products, customer sales orders, and shipping fees, and sync your stock levels and the statuses of your sales orders. And if you're connected to an e-com, you'll actually see where orders are coming from within the sell screen of Katana. We also have native accounting integrations with QuickBooks Online and Xero. So if you can actually make invoices for sales orders and then see their statuses or generate bills for purchase orders all right inside of Katana, and then sync the data back to QuickBooks or Xero, whichever you're using. And then we also have a large number of third-party integrations, so you can really go ahead and kind of just connect everything that you're using. Back on the sell screen, you can go ahead and open up a sales order card. From here, you can see information like the customer's name, their customer reference number, sales order number, ship to, bill to address, and you can add and edit this information as you see fit. Of course, if you're connected to an e-commerce platform, this information will already be pulled in. Now you can go ahead and look at the items on the order. You can even add a shipping fee if that works for you. You can edit the quantity, the price per unit. You can add a discount percentage if that's applicable. And if you're tracking data, you can go ahead here, add a tracking number, batch number. If you already have one added, you can see you can actually expand this to see the batch number right there. And from the screen, you can even make a manufacturing order. As you can see right here, click on this make, and then you can make in batch if you want to customize the quantity produced based on a desired batch size. And then you can make to order to create a manufacturing order for the exact quantity of product needed for this specific sales order. Now let's go over to the stock screen and see how you can manage your products and materials with Katana. The stock screen is where Katana unifies its live inventory management and displays all items in your inventory, products, and raw materials. If you use multiple locations, you'll see you can toggle between them from right there. And now Katana, it tracks in real time the total quantity of the items you have in stock, expected, and committed. And we also have reorder points, which you can use to avoid overstocking or stock outs. If you look here, you can also see if you have any items that are missing or that are exceeding, and you can create a purchase order or a manufacturing order depending on what you need. To have a better stock overview of your warehouses and to simplify picking and packing, you can also go ahead and assign a bin number to each item. To track expiration updates and have precise stock identification, you can set up and assign serial numbers and batches to your products and materials. Of course, to maintain stock accuracy, there are stock adjustments, stock transfers, and stock takes. You can see right here is where the batches are. Here on the buy screen, you can see all of your purchase orders and their expected arrival date. Now, if you're connected to an accounting integration, you'll also see a column here which is related to the billing status. When a material arrives, you can go ahead and mark it as received or receive all, and then all those items are added to your raw inventory, material inventory, or you can choose to receive some and then edit exactly which items you are receiving. It all depends on if it's the full order or just a partial order. Either way, your inventory will be updated accordingly. If you click on a purchase order, it'll open up the purchase order card, which is very similar to a sales order card. And from here, you can choose the supplier, the order number, the base currency, You can see all the items that are on the order. And if you want, you can also add additional costs, and these could be expenses like shipping, freight, custom fees, or just really anything like that. And then it's added on as a line cost per unit. Perhaps you have an outsourced purchase order that you're doing. In that case, you can go right here to outsourcing. And when you do that, we recommend that you want to track ingredients in your supplier's location. So the main difference between an outsourced purchase order and just a regular purchase order card is that you can also go right here and actually you can see that there's this track ingredients tab. If you're manufacturing products in-house, you'll certainly benefit from Katana's real-time master planner, which optimizes your production scheduling and connects your sales, stock, and floor operation teams. Now on the make screen, which is what you see here, you can find your entire production schedule based on the manufacturing order's prioritization. So you can see the order number, you can see the product, category, quantity, you can see the deadlines, and you can even see if the ingredients are in stock. As far as the production status, you can go ahead and change that, and there's 5 different options you can choose from: not started, blocked, work in progress, partially complete, and done. And then if you want to change the order of the priority, you can just go ahead and drag and drop to where you see fit. Once you've finalized your production schedule, you can start assigning tasks to operators, and Katana offers a shop floor app to keep your production team aligned with the schedule and provide you with access to real-time shop floor insights. Now, by going into a manufacturing order, you'll find all the necessary details, starting from the ingredients quantity, availability, cost, operation steps, even who's responsible. You can go ahead and add an operator to a particular operation. And if you want a more comprehensive breakdown, you can even go to the Tasks tab right here. And then you can actually see various resources and operations and products, and then assign those tasks in bulk. Now, if we move over to the Insight screen, you'll see that Katana offers you 3 main types of insights for your sales, manufacturing, and for purchasing. Now, this data is a macro level of how your business is doing, so you can do things like track your sales and profit margin trends over time, identify your most and least profitable products and sales channels. For each of these tabs, you can find pre-built dashboards as well as filters to dive deeper into more specific questions that you have and to generally make better business decisions. The last thing I'd like to bring up is our Open API. Now, I showed you earlier a very long list of native and third-party integrations that we have available, but Katana also allows you to build your own apps into Katana or customize any of the existing workflows, although it will likely require the help of a technical specialist from your engineering team or to hire a technical partner. Anyway, this was a quick overview of Katana's cloud inventory platform. If you'd like to learn more about specific features, just look through our video library. There's several more detailed videos about all the different types of functionalities available in Katana. All right, take care.